Today I will share with you my little morning routine, how to start the best way, and we're gonna do a vlog, so we're gonna check into the garden and just have some fun together. Come join me. So first thing in the morning, I love to light a candle. Then I go get my ACE track, and this is a breathable ketone meter that measures acetone levels in your breath, and it indicates whether your body is in ketosis or not, and that's a metabolic state where you burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. So as you can see here, my measurement is 72, and I will track that. So right after the ketone measurements, we are taking some coffee. Now I'm using my Gilmore Girls cup, and I love it. It's so cute and perfect for the season. Then I'm tracking some stuff in my life. It's mostly like the ketone measurement, the ACE track, the Wittings scale, and I also write down how I feel and what's on my mind, top of mind. So just a couple of simple steps to feel grounded into the day. After the coffee, I go downstairs to do some easy Jin practice, just taking some breath, just meditate for a couple of minutes and just landing into the day. It's the perfect way to just get yourself going and get yourself a good start in the morning, and it sets the intention for the rest of the day. So this is our windows right now. So he's gonna see here, the windows are, they need some care, so he's gonna do that today. It's gonna be lovely. It's a perfect early autumn thing to do. So trying the new camera. Really need to get another lens if I'm going to vlog with this one, because my arm is all stretched and I'm all in your face. So need to get another lens or get another or vlog with the DJI camera. So I will try it out a little bit and I'll let you know. So look at this, now the windows are all gone. Feels kind of strange. So look at this, it's our first apple, and then we have 2 over here as well. It's really so beautiful in the garden right now with all the tomatoes and everything else that is growing, and it's really time to collect them and harvest them and enjoy those beautiful flavors when you grow them by your own and they are like sun produced. So I'm really trying to vlog in with my new camera, and now I forgot my microphones downstairs, so we go pick them up. But I was just filming some in the garden because it's all about, you know, ice machine. It's all about, yeah, connecting to the inside of you, to come home, to be grounded in the body right now. And it's the same with the garden. You need to take care of everything, harvest everything, and get ready for the colder season. So I think it's if you live according to the earth and all around it, your soul will feel so much better. And now we go into a time to just connect with ourselves, to center ourselves, just connect. And yeah, now I'm gonna eat. I did a really large portion of pasta here. It's pesto and it's with feta cheese. So actually I haven't shown you the camera yet. I will do or have an unboxing video and it will go live. So for now you need to be curious, what is this camera I'm filming on? I hope you like it. I'll stand you there, because this lens I need to back up so I won't be like here in your face. Anyway, I hope you like the quality of this camera. I can also add external mics, so that's a really great thing. So actually I'm doing this with the camera just for you, so you can have better video, better audio. So but you will see the camera in a bit, or in another video maybe. So just gonna eat that and I'm gonna start editing this vlog, so I see you in a bit. So this is my setup right now. Is, you see, it's all over the place, so many things, and I just recorded a voiceover here, and yeah, sitting here editing the video that will come up today, and I hope you will like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. More content is coming up, and as I always say, have a fabulous day, night or evening wherever you are, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So I see you in the next one. Bye bye.